customers, today we will see how to use this air humidifier. Let's open our lid and see what we've got. At first, it's user manual, power code according to a country, and measuring cup. Let's see how it works. Open the lid and then let's see here. We have some protective surface and charging input. Plug in and power on our device. Then we should add some water according to appropriate line. And you also can add 2 or 4 drops of essential oil if you want. You can buy it in our store here. Close the lid and turn on our device. You can use this button to set some time for 1, 3 or 6 hours. Let's turn the light. At first, colors will change automatically, like this. If you press this button the second time, you can adjust the brightness, dim or bright color. Let's see. And the third time to set some certain light on. You can use remote control to choose the different function, set on the light or time, turn on, turn off the device. You can use it at the distance of 6 meters. So let's see how it works inside. Open our lid. If you have some problems with our device, you can contact us and we will help you to solve all your problems.